it is Angela here, and today I finally decided to do a slime DIY, and yeah, I hope you do like my new background, and also I'm going to show you how I made this, and I am also going to be using the bee butterfly thing that I got from a few videos ago. Well, not a few, but my last video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
In the name of love, name of love, in the name of...
Here are the things that you will be needing: a container, some butterfly beads, or it can be any beads you want. I'm just using these butterfly beads. Some glue, a spoon, some dilated baking soda, baking powder, I don't know, get them mixed up, and saline. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just get your glue and put a bunch of the dilated baking soda into the glue and just mix it up with a pencil or the back of a spoon or something. I'm going to be using the back of a spoon because I'm an idiot and I forgot to use a chopstick. So this is when I decided to go get a chopstick. Just watch me stir this like an idiot before I find out that I need a chopstick. I had to add more glue because it was getting everywhere, and just like that. Did you see that? If you did, give this video a subscription, not video, but give my channel a subscription because you know you want to, and if you didn't see it, give it a like because I don't know why. I don't have a reason. Just give it a like because I want you to give it a like. And this is when I went to go downstairs and try to look for someone eating. Then I realized, oh, yeah, I have a like. And second, I'm sorry, DIY just really isn't my thing. Anyways, just take your saline and just pour a bunch in, like a lot, okay? And when I say a lot, I don't mean like a tiny little scoop. I mean a lot. And then just keep mixing until it's super hard to mix. Alright. After a couple hours, I mean minutes, of just mixing and kneading this and mixing and kneading it and mixing it and kneading it and mixing it and kneading it, I finally got some slime. Now, if you want, you can add some of these little butterflies. It doesn't have to be butterflies, it could be like stickers like that or something, and I really don't know. But yeah, also the slime is super sticky, so warning if you don't like the sticky slime. Then just add more of the saline and you should be good. But I'm probably gonna add like a few of these butterflies, maybe like 2 or 3, 4 or 5, 6 or 7, I don't know. And then yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, not too huge, but a slime and a squishy giveaway of 3 or 5 winners. It really depends on how fast we can get to. If we can get it to 10 subscribers by the end of the month, then I will do 5 winners. But if we can get to 10 subscribers by the end of the year, then I will do 3 winners. That seems fair. And I know to some people it's extremely hard to win giveaways, like my giveaway, you have to comment. Okay, so if you want to win the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe. And also, leave a comment what your favorite color is. And if you had any superpower, what would it be? And these questions will be going on until the end of the month or until we reach 10 subscribers. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to spam a bunch of, oh come on, why does this always happen? Oh my goodness. Why am I so bad at YouTubing? Leave a comment why. Probably because I'm such a noob at this. So, yeah. Also, leave a comment what you, oh come on, are you freaking serious? Yes, I will be bleeping this out because I don't want to get sued for saying free things. And yeah, the camera dropped twice. Best YouTuber 2K16, Android Universe. And yes, I will be doing some more. I will be doing some squishy videos in the future and other videos like that. And ooh, this is dangerous. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! Okay, I'm not gonna do that. That's gonna hurt the camera really bad.